Good morning, students. So, without wasting our time, let's start our class. In this class, we are going to discuss about our chapter 9, Triangle and Quadrilateral. And our subtopic is triangle. Yes. So, today we are going to discuss about triangle. Now, triangle. So, let us take any three non-collinear points A, B, C on any figure. You know that three collinear points are those points which are not in a same line. So see, I've taken here 1 point, I've taken here any 2 point, and here it's a 3 point. Okay, so then what we're going to do, then the figure formed by 3 line segment. Now see here, the figure formed by this 3 line segment. How? It's a closed figure. First, we will see that it's a closed figure, and this figure is known as a triangle. And this is a vertex A, this is the vertex B, and this is the vertex C. Okay, yeah. So, and we denoted it by the symbol triangle ABC. So here is the triangle ABC. Okay, now a triangle. If you carefully observe the triangle, you will see that it has a 3 sides, 3 vertex, and 3 angles. Yeah, just see. This is the first side, this is the second side, and this is a 3/3 side. Now 3 vertex. This is the vertex A. Suppose we can give any name. This is the vertex B, and this is the vertex C. And the angles. You know that when the 2 lines they meet together, they form a angle. So this is the angle A, this is the angle B, and this is the angle C. So what we have seen, that a triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertex, and 3 angles. Now we can classify the triangles on the basis of arm length of a triangle, means the length of the triangle. Okay, so according to it, there are 3 types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and the last one is scalene triangle. So we can say that we can consider the length of the sides of the triangle by their name. So the first one, we are going to see the equilateral triangle. Equilateral means equal. Yeah, equal. By the name only you can understand a triangle whose all 3 sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. Suppose we draw any figure. Now, if you measure the length of this figure, you will see that here all the 3 sides. Suppose this is a 4 centimeter, then this side will be also a 4 centimeter, and this side will be also a 4 centimeter. So in an equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. Yes. So if we give the name them, suppose I give the name as this name as A, this one as B, and this one as C. So we can say that that AB is equal to BC and equal to CA. Okay. Now the isosceles triangle. Isosceles, it means that a triangle having 2 sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. Okay. So let us see here. Here you can see that only 2 sides are equal. Okay. Let us see that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Here, suppose this is an 4 centimeter. Then any one of its sides, suppose this side. This is also 4 centimeter, and it can be of any measurement. Suppose 5, 6. So if the 2 sides are equal, then what we call it, that is an isosceles triangle, where the AB is equal to AC. Okay. Now the third triangle, that is scalene triangle. Now a triangle having 3 sides of different length is known as scalene triangle. Let us see a triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle where all the 3 sides of different length. Suppose this is a length of, we can say, suppose this is a length of 4 centimeter, it's 5, then it's 3 centimeter. So we can say that AB is not equal to BC and BC is not equal to AC in a scalene triangle. Okay, yeah. Now we have given the name of a triangle by the length. Now we are going to name the triangles by their angles. You know that in a triangle there are three angles. So according to it, their angles are also classified in three types: acute angle, obtuse triangle, and right triangle. Okay, so these are the acute triangle, right triangle, and the obtuse triangle. Okay, now let us learn about it. Acute triangle. A triangle in which whose each angle measure is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle triangle. So suppose you draw a triangle, and if you measure it, you will see that the each angle here, they all are what? They are the less than 90 degree. Okay, so that is known as acute triangle. The second one is right triangle. A right triangle, you can say a triangle whose only one angle measure is 90 degree, is known as right angle triangle. And a triangle cannot have more than one right triangle. Okay, it can have only one, cannot more than one. And in a right triangle, the sum of two acute angle is 90 degree. See here, this is suppose a right angle triangle. This is a 90 degree. Now this angle and this angle, they both will form together. They both sum will be 90 degree. Okay, yeah, and they will be less than 90 only. Now the third one is obtuse triangle. In it, what happened? A triangle, one of whose length measured is more than 90 degree, is called an obtuse angle triangle. Yes, it means that is only one angle should be more than 90 degree. Just see here, it's an obtuse triangle. Here, the only one angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, yeah. So we can say that this was about the three triangles which are different because of their angle. Okay. Now the next property we are going to learn, angle sum property of a triangle. Now as you see here, this I have drawn a triangle, and if I measure it with the help of protractor, I've seen that this angle is 60, this angle is 60, and this angle is 60. By name only you can see that it's an equilateral triangle. Why? Because here all the three sides are equal, and it is also a acute triangle. Why? Because here all the three angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, now if we sum up, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be how much? Yeah, 180 degree. 180 now. So we can say that the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. How much? 180 degree. And a triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle, because if it has more than one obtuse angle, we cannot form a triangle. Okay. And in a right triangle, you know that if a right triangle, one angle is 90 degree, then the sum of two triangles will be how much? Yeah, it will be 90 degree. Why? Because one angle is 90 and the sum of two is 90. Then 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Yeah, very good. The sum of angle of triangle is how much? 180 degree. Good. Now, let us learn some important points about it. The first, that each angle of equilateral triangle measure 60 degree. I have shown you that. Okay, see here. This is an equilateral triangle where the each angle measure is 60 degree. Second one, the angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. You know that in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So if the two sides are equal, what happened? Their opposite angle, this angle and this angle, they both will be also equal. Okay. And the scalene triangle has no two equal angles. Yes. As a scalene triangle, you know that all the three sides are unequal. Like that, only their angles are also not equal. But the sum is 180 degree. Whether it is an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, the angle of the sum is always 180 degree. Okay. Yeah. So if you, I think so, your concept is clear. Now I'm going to ask you some question. If you know the answer, just write in comment box. Your first question is, sum of triangle is equal to 120 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. Yeah, if you've given the option B, 180 degree, it means that you are correct. Your second option is, in equilateral triangle, all sides and angle are equal, not equal, may or may not be equal. Yeah, if you've given the option A, it means that you are correct. That is equal. And there are dash sides and dash angles in a triangle. In a triangle, how many sides and angles are there? 3 side, 3 angle, 2 side, 2 angle, 4 side, and 4 angle. Yeah, very good. If you've given the option A, 3 side and 3 angles, it means that you are correct. Students, I hope you have understand about the triangle. And in the next class, we are going to learn about quadrilateral. Okay, thank you.